see them are going to run out here so too, you know, but me I look for.
You don't know people and where you got to baby?
No, Philip not there. In there, man.
Where in there?
See me, I see me.
In a blue shirt?
Yeah, in a black shirt.
In a black shirt. Oh, Philip, no bother with it, man. We are come at you, man. Are you where come at you, Philip? Where you going to install it?
Just stop anywhere and put or something. You know how I want it.
No, I feel it where I catch. I feel it where I catch.
Go on down.
Yeah.
Go down.
No. We check you.
You know how to fix it.
We feel place.
Stop right there.
And what's the name of it?
It's Philip, you know?
Yeah, man. Philip come like say my bolt a family, you know. See Philip I rush like a car, you know. You see that?
This one up like comfort.
Yes, man.
That's how we do it.
Proper. And you see it in a skillet, you know. Me catch a skillet. Come here, catch it. How long on have a place you work?
Oh, 20 years now.
20 years. Yeah. I hope the business I improve, you know, because I know say through COVID, catching that pocket. COVID, they kind of soak up a little thing. But things look better now, right?
Yeah, man, we can not pick up here now.
Alright, I'm glad to hear that. Roast yam and saltfish. So people, when they want the best roast yam and saltfish, shop number 8. See that?
Lucky 8.
Lucky 8. That's a Philip and Willie. See there? So the man a check out.
Nice guy, yeah.
Alright. Catch it back again. Philip are full of it in here. Saltfish proper enough in here.
Yeah, man. Nice to
Drop
you.
on the gravy, you know. Yeah. Alright. That's a real authentic wood fire when I get not gas. You're getting real authentic Jamaican wood fire. See all the coal from the bag there. Coal up. We're at Melrose Hill Yam Park at Shop Lucky number 8 run by Philip and Willie. They are people who prepare roast yam, roast saltfish, pick up saltfish, ackee and saltfish, roast potato, pan chicken and a variety of soups. The park has 2 gazebos, numerous seats and restrooms at the back, located on a lush green acreage with a beautiful view of the surrounding hills. The restrooms are old but are well maintained. So people, whenever you're passing by, just stop and come to Shop Lucky 8 where you find Philip and Willie, 2 of my best friends.
Alright, Philip and Willie. Shop 8 on the farm. We have a nice roast here, ackee and saltfish, cook up saltfish, sweet potato. So when you come, make sure I shop 8.
Alright, shop number 8.
Cane juice. It is made of natural cane and ginger. Enjoy, especially when the time is hot.
Name?
Marie. This is Marie. You find it at Melrose Yam Park.